Many times the question we get, is it cheaper to replace the slab or actually repair with polylift or poly injection? And typically it's almost always easier and cheaper to repair with a polylift. Replacing the concrete can cost a homeowner anywhere from, say, $10 a square foot on the very low end up to $20, $21, $22 a square foot. So your typical 400 square foot space could be $4,000 up to $8,000 to replace, where lifting and repairing that same crack or slab that has dropped can be a $2,000 or a $3,000 repair and perform always just the same. Most of the time when homeowners are looking and considering the options between the two, the polylift is typically the choice that they go with. It's also simply a one-day repair, where replacing concrete has a tear out, has a structural piece where the framing is in, and then you have the pour and the curing, so it tends to be multiple day repair. And if you're talking about inside the home, then it becomes that much tedious when life is going on around the house to ultimately replace. So repair tends to be always the option. In terms of the effectiveness of the pour versus the effectiveness of the repair can perform just as well as new concrete. The question is why did it crack in the first place? And concrete tends to crack. But the other source you can look into is water. Where is a source of water that's creating some type of void underneath the concrete to produce that slab dropping or cracking in the first place? So many times we'll go through at KC Pier with all our repairs as we do a full house assessment for the homeowner. And we'll take a look at it, specifically the foundation and the slab, from a water management perspective. That's something that KC Pier is really, really good at, and our structural consultants can look at a holistic problem to ensure that the homeowner can do a repair in good faith, knowing that that repair is going to perform for them over the course of their home ownership.